In this video we're taking an honest look at Harvest Finance, a DeFi yield farming platform that automates strategies to help users earn returns on deposited crypto. The appeal is simple. Instead of manually managing complex pools or farming tactics, Harvest handles it automatically through smart contracts. When conditions are favorable, users can earn higher yields than simply holding tokens, and the platform is open source with governance features that let token holders participate in decisions. But before using it, you should know about the risks. Harvest suffered a major exploit in which millions were drained from certain vaults, and although security audits and bug bounty programs have been added since, no DeFi platform is risk-free. Returns can fluctuate heavily based on market conditions, and complex strategies mean more potential points of failure. Like most DeFi tools, support is limited, so if something goes wrong, users often have to rely on community help. Overall, Harvest Finance can offer attractive yields for users comfortable with high risk, but it's not suitable as a safe or stable investment. For more careful and honest breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.